With no monsters left on the field, I summon Dark Magician. Declare direct attack.
In the arms of the angel.
Gotta go now.
Oh, okay.
Wake me up.
Wake me up
I
inside.
can't wake up.
Wake me.
Hey, you there! Duel me now!
Oh, okay. I'm gonna start. I have two negations, one interaction, two unknown set cards and one card in my hand Lamel that's unbreakable XDDDDDDDDDD such skill. I got the strongest field ever. Immortality, eternal life, standard power.
HMPF, I draw! I summon good guy from Bionicle!
No, you're playing the wrong game.
Good guy becomes to a good guy.
Please stop, you can have my complete lesbian Kabedon collection instead.
Then, I call Dio and myself. Now, my Holy Trinity is completed and something special will happen.
Prepare your anus.
No.
Also, I summon Dia and Kanan.
Please stop, Murray!
Hanes.
You've already racked Riku and until Britain's card game! That is enough!
Oh, okay.
Vocal percussion on a whole nother level, coming from my mind. Vocal percussion on a whole nother level, coming from my mind.